4 Russian state media outlets are broadcasting false information about the vaccines being produced in Western countries, according to the U.S. State Department's Global Engagement Center. The outlets are pushing claims that the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are ineffective, produce serious side effects, and even that the manufacturing companies took dangerous shortcuts during the certification process. The State Department has denounced these claims.
It is very clear that Russia is up to its old tricks, and in doing so is potentially putting people at risk by spreading disinformation about vaccines that we know to be saving lives every day.
The White House is also aware about the disinformation campaign.
We will reiterate that at every opportunity, these vaccines are safe. They've been approved by the FDA.
One of the Russian sites, Newsfront, has reported, for example, that the coronavirus was manufactured in the U.S. However, Vladimir Putin's press secretary has called the accusations coming from the U.S. nonsense. But research by the media watchdog group, the Alliance for Securing Democracy, shows 48 out of 50 vaccine-related tweets by Russian state media focused on the alleged negative effects of the Pfizer vaccine. Bret Schafer of the German Marshall Fund says it's all part of a plan to push the Russian Sputnik V vaccine.
These countries have their own vaccines that they're trying to distribute to the world. So it was much more targeted that. There was a lot of geopolitical considerations, there were economic considerations, there were a lot of different factors that went into play.
Just as with Russian disinformation during U.S. presidential elections, it's hard to gauge the actual impact of this current disinformation campaign against the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines. What is clear is that it is creating confusion.
For those people who want to be anti-liberal, it's just giving them more fodder and giving them another reason to get upset. It's also, I think, fostered greater concern about, well, which vaccine should I get? There's 3 of them out there. And so I think it's adding to the confusion over that. And we are seeing people being afraid to get the vaccine if it's of the wrong kind.
The Russian Sputnik V has not yet been approved for use in the EU, but has been approved in at least 50 countries around the world. Daria Diguz for VOA News, Washington.